Is it time to buy or sell Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into Ishares Bitcoin Trust. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 4th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 25th of February, 2025, our system has identified Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.28. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this timeframe. The ETF has recorded a loss of -1.28%. This equates to an average decline of -0.21% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund lies in the middle of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further decline within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 8% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from about -12% to 8%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of over 51%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from approximately 26% to nearly 100% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $62.34 and $98.69. Our latest daily update for Ishares Bitcoin Trust features the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF price increased by 1% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 4th of March, 2025, rising from $48.90 to $49.39. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues, or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 9.23%, with a low of $46.28 and a high of $50.55. Although the price has shown volatility during this period, it reflects a loss of 7.7% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, volume decreased on the last day by 21 million shares, with a total of 70 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $3.47 billion. It is important to note that declining volume amid rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $61.75, while the lowest price was $28.23. Currently, the price is 20.02%, or $12.36, below the 52-week high of $61.75, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Steve Weiss, founder and managing partner at Short Hills Capital Partners, recently announced his decision to sell shares of the Ishares Bitcoin Trust, or IBIT, during his appearance on CNBC's halftime report. This action may raise concerns among investors, hinting at a potential short-term bearish sentiment. Conversely, Wall Street has received a boost from the Nasdaq, which is leading U.S. stock indexes higher as trading in March begins. Additionally, the interest from major asset managers like BlackRock, which has integrated Bitcoin and active exchange-traded funds into its model portfolios, indicates a strong institutional commitment to crypto assets, supporting the long-term growth potential of IBIT. Notably, several billionaires have chosen to sell NVIDIA stock and redirect their investments into IBIT, reflecting a strategic shift towards Bitcoin amidst market volatility. While Bitcoin itself recently hovered just above $84,000 following a dip, there are signs of recovery as institutional players take the opportunity to buy at lower prices. Overall, the combination of Weiss's sell-off and institutional enthusiasm creates a complex landscape for IBIT. In the short term, the negative sentiment from Weiss could exert pressure on the stock. However, the growing interest from significant investment firms and high-net-worth individuals may provide a solid foundation for its long-term value, indicating resilience as the market stabilizes and evolves. The following signals have been identified for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the exchange-traded fund. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF indicates a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. With the long-term average positioned above the short-term average, this results in an overall sell signal for the ETF, suggesting a more negative outlook. If there are further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $55.10. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the ETF will find some support from the short-term average at $49.28. A breakthrough above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would create an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall signal. Additionally, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, February 27, 2025, with the ETF having risen 4.31% thus far. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day despite price increases, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger also indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average suggested a buy signal 2 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 17 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 96 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. Ishares Bitcoin Trust finds support from accumulated volume at $48.90. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the last day, the fund fluctuated by $4.27 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 9.23%. In the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 7.25%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ishares Bitcoin Trust is at $50.03. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Ishares Bitcoin Trust encounters its first support level at $48.90. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and a stop-loss has not been established. Is the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF a good investment? The Ishares Bitcoin Trust displays several concerning indicators, and we believe its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 5th of March, we anticipate that the Ishares Bitcoin Trust will open lower by 650 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $48.74. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.